Hello and welcome to Rob and Kerri's Day Off. This is Kerri. We knew this, of course. What we're doing today is being self-employed. We do work a lot on the weekends, but this is a Wednesday, and we're going to take one of our really close friends. That's the trash guy dumping the trash. We're going to take one of our really close friends. He turned 80 on Monday, and he's from Kansas City, lives here. And we're going to take him to a Tampa Bay Rays baseball game. Today they're playing the Kansas City Royals. And here's the cool thing is, I'm going to show you where we're going. It's maybe kind of hard to see, but it is right over there. That is Tropicana Field. It's about 10 or 12 minute drive from where we are, and that's where we're going to go and watch the Tampa Bay Rays. And guess what? We're bringing you with us. First stop is Ferg's. You have to go to Ferg's right before the game. It is right next to Tropicana Field. Hanging out with my friend Flash. And we're here from our buddy Mike's birthday. We're taking him to a Kansas City Royals game, as we talked about earlier.
He's 60. He's 60.
61.
Oh, 61.
Yeah, he's 61 now. He's eligible for early retirement.
Yeah, still vertical. Right.
So again, welcome to Rob and Kerri's Day Off.
Wait a minute, Robert. Are we in fast motion right now?
No.
Check. And what you're doing, it's a flashman. Listen, I have hijacked the GoPro. All I'm saying, we're here at Ferg's. It's our buddy Mike Abel's 60th birthday.
We'll go with 60.
We'll go with 60. He's over here hanging out with Kerri. Look at that. Don't know how that goes, but hanging out with my boy Rob, and Rob is doing all kinds of crazy things. And I got to tell you right now that I have been with this guy for a long time, and I'm very proud of everything that he's accomplished, everything that he's doing right now, and that he's finally found what I call the niche. And this isn't his niche, by the way. I mean, listen, it's one of his niches. Just want to make sure he saw that. But he and the wife, Kerri, who I kind of pushed him to go and talk to way back in the day. Anyway, he's talking smack about me right now, but he knows it's true. I'm just telling you. Anyway, so, but Rob and I have been digging together for a long time. Sometimes we're together, sometimes we're in different venues doing different things, but listen, when it all comes down to the end of the day, my boy's found his niche. Mike Abel, birthday boy over here, and we know, you can ask Mike Abel, one of the best crews that he's ever been on. Which one was it?
104 Journey.
There you go. It was a Q105 Journey cruise.
Q105 Journey. I was just missed it by one.
Listen, he was just off by like a couple tenths of a second right there. But listen,
it was great. It was fantastic.
And Rob, Kerri put that together, and they're still kicking it. Now they're in with Disney. They got the Disney show. And by the way, if you ever listen to the Disney podcast, Mike Abel, have you checked out it?
Got it.
Did you hear the voice guy at the beginning of that?
Did not.
Well, you should listen.
I will.
He's pretty good. That's what I've heard, anyway. So anyway, hey, happy birthday to you, buddy.
Thank you, bud. I appreciate it.
What's happening for your 60th? What do you got going on?
Just add water.
Just add water. Or some of that right there. So what you got planned for the day today for your big birthday bash? What you got going on?
Going to the ball game, see the Royals and the Rays.
Who do you think's gonna pull that out?
Well, you know, I'm from Kansas City, so he's now a Rays fan.
That old boy, because you're back down here now, right?
That's right, back here.
Ladies, look out. That's all I'm saying. Look out, ladies, because listen, Mike Abel's in the house and he is ready to rock and roll. He's single, ready to mingle, baby. Yeah. Well, happy birthday to you, buddy. Listen, let's put a couple of these. We're going to put a couple of these up right there. That just happened right there. So listen, we'll check back in with you. And listen, I'm going to be probably heading out. They're going to the game. I got to do karaoke tonight at Kahuna's because I'm the karaoke guy. But listen, live from Ferg's, and we'll check back in with you later. Yeah, you coming down to see me tonight for karaoke? Oh, hell. Rob, Mike Abel might join the party down at Kahuna's later on.
Then we have to go. No, we don't. I got the head shake from the wife. No bueno.
Yeah, probably won't see Rob, but Mike Abel, we'll see him down there later at the Kahunas.
I think he's over.
We are working it out right here, currently at Berg's. We'll check back in with you later.
My friends, is a baseball tradition. Takes me out to the ball game right here at Tropicana Field. Even though the Tampa Bay Rays are getting their ass